Leisha. I'm from class 5th A. Today I'm going to show how to check that fact that has less density with any other object that floats in it. For this experiment, we have to take 2 glasses of water, 2 lemons and 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 spoon. Now let us start the experiment. First, we have to put a lemon in a glass. And then we have to add 1 tablespoon of salt. And mix until it dissolves in the water. Then you have to take another lemon and put it to the salt water. Now you can see 1 lemon is sinking in the water and 1 lemon is floating in the water. This happens because the density of a lemon is less the density of water, so it floats in water. And in other glass, the density of lemon is common in water and it is higher than the density of water, so it sinks. So this is the reason why 1 lemon sinks and 1 lemon floats. Thank you.